Hello and welcome back. I've already mentioned this in a previous video, but for those of you that didn't get a chance to view that video, I wanted to announce October's Patreon giveaway in a separate video. It's going to be the Beach Bomb rear loader that we assembled in a few videos back. If you haven't got a chance to check out that video, now would be a good time to do so. And in order to be part of the giveaway, you have to be one of my patrons. For as little as $1 a month, you have a chance to win a monthly custom, and the giveaways will vary. They can be complete customs or something a little simpler, such as the VW bus here. But just because it's simple doesn't mean it's cheap. The kit was $24.95 plus $5 shipping, so you might as well call it $30, and the Spectraflame paint is approximately $6 a jar plus shipping. Now granted, it did not take a jar to paint this, but in order to create the custom, you're going to need to get the paint. So we're looking at roughly $40 without any labor. So the giveaways aren't some junk I just threw together in 5 minutes. Now I will do other giveaways outside of Patreon, and I actually have one going on right now where we're giving away a drill and some bits. So if Patreon isn't right for you for one reason or another, don't be discouraged. I'll have other giveaways that I sprinkle throughout the year. But the consistent monthly custom giveaway will only be available via Patreon. At any rate, in case you didn't catch it in the October video, I wanted to once again show you the rear loader as the October giveaway. And I wish all the patrons good luck on winning this, as well as all the YouTube subscribers on the drill giveaway. Hope everybody enjoys the videos. If you have any questions or comments, post those below. I read all of them. And if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell. That way you're notified of all the new videos. And as always, thanks for watching.